Hello and welcome to 12 Volt Planet TV. My name is Craig and today we're going to be discussing our non-insulated terminals and how you can crimp them. We currently stock two types. One has a V end to it, which you can see here in this video, and these come in both male and female. For this video we are showing you the female version. We also currently hold some with a round end to them. And again, for the purpose of this video, we are showing you the female variety. One of the tools we're going to use today is our light duty non-insulated terminal crimping tool, which you can see here. It has a number of different functions as well, but for this video we will just be using the non-insulated crimping tool. We'll also be using our standard version, which again you can see here. Again, this has the dies that will curl the terminal ends in to create a secure crimp. We will also be using in this video our Ratchet crimping tool, which again you can see here with the dies to curl those terminal ends to create a good crimp. We will also be using our automatic wire strippers just to strip the cable itself that we'll be using. All of these products are available on our website and links will be in the description down below. The cable we will be using will be our 1mm squared cable, so we will be using the terminal crimps for that cable size. However, other terminals are available for larger or smaller cable sizes as your needs may change. The first one we're going to start with is our light crimping tool. As you can see here, we have 3 dies. You're going to want to place your crimping tool over the smaller wings that are on the terminal itself, placing it into the die for the size of cable and terminal that you are crimping. Once you have it in securely, you will just simply place your cable in, making sure that it is under the wings, and squeeze down on the crimping tool itself. Once the crimp is made, you may need to wiggle it out, but you should find that you have a nice neat crimp. Simply squeeze in the larger tabs at the back, and to crimp these you're going to want to select a larger cable size die, as they won't fit in the smaller ones. We always recommend buying spares so you can try. In this video we'll be using the 6mm hole to help crimp down the larger wings. Again, once released you can see you have a nice, neat and secure crimp. The next tool is our standard crimping tool. Again, you're going to want to select the size that you need and place your terminals in with the small tabs first. Holding the terminal secure in place, simply place your cable into position and squeeze again. This tool is perfect for if you're using the non-insulated terminals frequently and will be needing to do a lot. Again, for the larger wing, simply squeeze in, making the gap a bit smaller, and use a larger die to create that crimp. Once done, you're left with a very similar, neat crimp as to the first tool we used today. The third is our Ratchet crimping tool, which is used for heavy duty use. So if you will be making a lot of these crimps, this is the tool for you. Here you can see we're using it with a round terminal as it works best with these, but it does also work with the V-shaped. Again, you select the die you require and place the terminal in. The big difference with this tool is that it has 2 dies, so it will collapse both sets of wings on the terminal, meaning you only need to crimp once. Thank you very much for watching. All our products can be found in the description down below. If you find you're having any more problems, then feel free to get in touch with ourselves via our website www.12voltplanet.co.uk. please give this video a like and subscribe for any future videos. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.